Are you ready for this week's round of storminess? It seems like lately we get a storm every week that maybe lingers for 2 or 3 days, brings a lot of rain. We certainly did last week. My goodness, last weekend was something else. Well, starting tomorrow, there's a chance of showers and thunderstorms across the Snake River Plain. Some of us could actually see some showers in the morning, and if we get the thunderstorms, they would certainly be in the afternoon, evening tomorrow night. At least we're going to stay still really mild temperature-wise. We'll be in the 70s. Then the cold front finally moves in, bringing with it widespread umbrella weather to not just the Snake River Plain, but all of eastern Idaho. And it looks like this Saturday could be another wet one. Hopefully not quite as much rain as what we had last Saturday, but we're still thinking a little bit more than just a sprinkle. That's putting it mildly out there. And then will be much cooler. It'll be far from mild over the weekend, a lot cooler. Temperatures for Saturday and Sunday will probably be about 20 to 25 degrees cooler than what we're expecting tomorrow. So that's a little slap in the face, if you will, as far as temperatures are concerned. What's going on? Satellite radar map right now. What you're looking at is moisture, tropical moisture from what's left over from Hurricane Priscilla. Yeah, it was off the coast of Baja. It's finding its way all the way through Utah, and the Beehive State's bracing itself for flooding, flash flooding, starting tonight into tomorrow, and perhaps even into the entire weekend. Here we sit, but we're going to get some of that tomorrow, so that's why we're thinking a chance of showers and thunderstorms, some of the leftovers from a hurricane. How about that? What you're looking at here, the red, that's warm air. The blue, that's cold air. This is basically a stalled out battlefront. Once this moisture moves in, then the cold front gets a chance to move right into Idaho over the weekend, and that's why we're looking at a huge temperature drop for the weekend. Snow levels will drop down to about maybe as low as 6,000 feet in most of eastern Idaho, and of course up in the northern portion of the state as low as 5,500 feet. And speaking of which, we have a winter storm watch already out for the higher elevations of Lemhi County above 5,500 feet. 1 to 6 inches of snow possible. That includes Lost Trail Pass, of course, Gilmore Summit. In fact, from Tendoy all the way down through Lone Pine. So if you're traveling Highway 28, Saturday night into Sunday, and then maybe even Sunday night into Monday morning, be extra careful. 53 will be the low for your Thursday night in Pocatello. Certainly milder than it was last night. 47 is what we're expecting for your Thursday night in Idaho Falls. So what is that? 12 degrees warmer than last night. And for your Friday, well, have your umbrella on standby. There's a chance of rain showers and thunderstorms. Still not bad temperature-wise, 76 degrees, and that's what we're going to see for Pocatello. Chance of showers and thunderstorms, a little bit on the breezy side, especially in the afternoon. Near 70 up in DuBois, a little bit cooler up in Island Park than it was today with a high 64. And if you are traveling here in the next 24 hours, going south into Utah, that's where you're going to see a lot of storminess. Heavy rain possible, thunderstorms over the Wasatch Front. You go west, it will be dry for tomorrow, 80 for a high in Boise. Southeast Idaho Chevy dealer 7-day forecast. Look ahead, there's the much cooler weather Saturday, breezy all weekend, rain likely. It will definitely be an umbrella weather day. You'll get a little more than just a couple of minutes use of that umbrella for Saturday. And then Sunday, we are dry. We are cooler. Could see more rain next Wednesday and Thursday. Rexburg, we're talking rain likely for Rexburg on Saturday. And then just breezy and cold. 49 for high on Sunday. Blackfoot, same thing. One of those half and half weekends. Saturday being the much wetter half. Of course, both halves are going to be a real cool one. Teton area, we'll see rain Saturday. And then it's all snow Sunday. And then starting Tuesday, a chance of rain, snow mix next Wednesday with rain, and then snow, all snow next Thursday. And for the Central Mountains, chance of rain for your Saturday. We're cool with another shot at just rain on Tuesday.